Hello and namaskar everyone. Today I am present with the MCQs and important question of water resources. So without wasting the time, let us go into the question. लेकिन याद रखना है जो क्वेश्चन है उसके आंसर्स आपको लास्ट में और सारे एक्सप्लेनेशंस भी आपको लास्ट में मिलेंगे. सो पहले क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. भाड़ू सॉन्ग इन अ पर्टिकुलर रीजन नरेट्स विच रिवर एज द सोरो. ऑप्शन ए दामोदर, ऑप्शन बी कावेरी, ऑप्शन सी नर्मदा एंड ऑप्शन डी यमुना. Question number 2. Which one of the following contributes approximately 22% of the total electricity produced in India today? A. Solar power, B. Industries, C. Geothermal, D. Hydroelectricity. Question number 3. Bhakra Nangal River Valley project is made on which river? A. Son, B. Chenab, C. Satluj, and D. Ganga. Question number 4. The Narmada Bachao Andolan is associated with option A. Gandhi Sagar Dam, option B. Sardar Sarovar Dam, option C. Hirakud Dam, option D. Tehri Dam. Question number 5. Which one of the following is one of the largest artificial lakes of ancient India built in the 11th century? Option A. Hauj Khas, B. Dal Lake, C. Govind Sagar Lake, and D. Bhopal Lake. Now going into the next question. Question number 6. The diversion channels seen in the western Himalayas are called A. Johars, B. Khadins, C. Recharge pits, D. Guls or Kuls. Question number 7. Agricultural fields which are used as rain-fed storage structures are called A. Guls, B. Kuls, C. Khadins also known as Johars, and D. Pits. Question number 8. Underground tanks seen in Rajasthan to store rainwater for drinking is called A. Khadin, B. Pond, C. Gul, and D. Tankas. Question number 9. Bamboo drip irrigation system is prevalent in option A. Manipur, B. Meghalaya, C. Mizoram, and D. Madhya Pradesh. Question number 10. The only state which has made rooftop water harvesting structure compulsory to all the house is option A. Andhra Pradesh, option B. Karnataka, option C. Tamil Nadu, and D. West Bengal. Question number 11. Who proclaimed dams as the temple of modern India? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Mahatma Phule, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, and D. None of the above. Question number 12. India ranks dash in the world in terms of water availability per person per annum. A. 133, B. 135, C. 17, and D. 98. Question number 13. From ancient times, evidence of sophisticated irrigation work has also been found in Nagarjun Konda located in option A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Odisha, C. Karnataka, and D. Tamil Nadu. Question number 14. In the 14th century, the tank in Hauj Khas, Delhi was constructed by Dash to supply water to the Siri Fort area. Option A. Babur, B. Balban, C. Iltutmish, and D. Jahangir. Now let us go into the next question. Question number 15. All the houses traditionally had underground tankas for storing water in Barmer and Falodi located in Dash. A. Uttarakhand, B. Gujarat, C. Rajasthan, and D. Himachal Pradesh. Question number 16. The fresh water is mainly obtained from surface runoff and groundwater that is continuously being renewed and recharged through the dash. A. Biological cycle, B. Hydrological cycle, C. Precipitation, and D. Smog cycle. Question number 17. The goal of JJM Jal Jeevan Mission is to enable every household gets assured supply of dash liters per capita per day regularly. Option A 22 liter, option B 25 liter, option C 50 liter, and option D 55 liters. Now question number 18. Which of the following hydraulic structure is built in river basins? Option A lake, option B dam, C tank, and D water harvesting. Question number 19. In western Rajasthan today, plenty of water is available due to option A rooftop water harvesting, B construction of tanks, C. Perennial Rajasthan Canal, and D. All of the above. Question number 19. Which of the following state government have raised the Krishna Godavari dispute? A. Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, B. Gujarat and Rajasthan, C. Goa and Karnataka, D. Gujarat and Rajasthan. Now coming to question number 21. Hirakud Dam is constructed on which river? A. Ganga, B. Manjra, C. Manas, and D. Mahanadi. Question number 22. Which one of the following dam is built on river Chenab? A. Tehri, B. Mettur, C. Koyna, and D. Rana Pratap Sagar. Question number 23. On which of the following rivers Mettur Dam is constructed? A. River Kaveri, B. Krishna, C. Godavari, and D. Mahanadi. Coming to question number 24, the remote village that has earned the rare distinction of being rich in rainwater. A. Gari, B. Kaja, C. Kalyani, and D. Gentathur. Question number 25, Rana Pratap Sagar Dam is located in which state? A. Bihar, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Gujarat, and D. Rajasthan. Question number 26, for which of the following purpose were dam traditionally built? A. For generating electricity, option B. To flood control, option C. To supply water to homes, and option D. To impound rainwater and river water for irrigation. Now let us go to question number 27, the remote village that has earned the rare distinction of being rich in rainwater. A. Gari, B. Kaja, C. Gentathur, and D. Kalyanpur. Question number 28, a 200-year-old system of tapping stream and spring water by using bamboo pipes is prevalent in the state of A. Meghalaya, B. Tripura, C. Assam, D. Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 29, Rihand Dam located on river Rihand is located in which state? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Himachal Pradesh, C. Rajasthan, and D. Maharashtra. And last question, question number 30, Koyna Dam is located in A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Himachal Pradesh, C. Rajasthan, and D. Maharashtra. आप सभी को ये क्वेश्चन दे दिया गया है. द आंसर्स ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चंस आर गिवन इन द लास्ट along with the explanation, और उसके बाद important question of the chapter has also been given. So I want you all to please score good in the examination. Have a very good day. Thank you.